Today we're heading deep into bear country on Vancouver Island in Canada.
Can't believe we're in such a beautiful place.
We've been hoping for one thing, to finally spot a bear in the wild.
That's our second wildlife spotting of the day.
But seeing a bear when you've got a toddler, well, that's a whole new level of excitement and fear.
Daddy's gonna show you a bear. You wanna see a bear?
Let's hope it's a magical moment and not a terrifying one.
Welcome to Campbell River. We're on a mission to see some bears today, but we have to fuel up first and pick up our dog's shit.
He would poo right there.
I'll do a chai latte.
Chai latte.
Chai latte, please.
Guess what are you guys known for coffee-wise? Like, what's the best coffee to get?
The fog dunker, so it's 2 shots of espresso and dark roast coffee on top.
I'll go for that.
So which size?
I'll go for the small one.
Okay.
Thank you.
That sounds intense.
It does. That's why I went for the small one. Double shot espresso and black coffee.
Complete department 300 miles.
Take it with
I
you.
also like this one. Lord, please give me patience because if you give me strength, I'll need bail money too.
I like be nice or go away.
Yeah.
They asked me if I wanted spicy or sweet chai latte,
Interesting.
which is a nice option.
For Everly down here.
Yeah. Do you want a steamer?
I'll take my coffee here.
You want to get up on there with Frank?
What's this? This
Motorcycle.
is a motorcycle. Thank you, bro. Are you on the motorcycle, Everly?
Parker's like, I'm pretty sure you got something for me.
That's mine. Are you gonna sit there?
It is a kid table.
Everly got a spot.
Frank.
Whoa! Okay, Everly, can you tell me about your time here on Vancouver Island? Has it been wonderful? Oh, yeah? How was the drive today? Was it pretty good? That's whipped cream. Do you want to try? Ready? No, you just want to mix it?
I think so.
Okay. Well, you can eat it too. It is edible, okay?
I feel
Want
like I
Daddy
need
to
my
leave?
windbreaker.
Okay. Daddy goes to get his drink? Yeah? Okay. That's not a straw, by the way. You can't drink through it. That's just a stick.
We are at Fog Duckers, and we've got some very special guests with us here today for the bear watching. Oh, bear watching! I love a bear.
Hello there. How is everybody out there? We're doing good. We're beautifully broken. We're back. These guys are fabulous. Yeah, we visit you all the time. If we can just double. That's a possibility. Yeah. I do know. And now we've got a new truck build out, so you can either jump into Truly or with your new rig, which is beautiful, by the way. You guys have really smashed it. We should do like that. The world road trip. It's like a 5-year plan around the world. So Marrianne is here. Unfortunately, it's just really honestly, Julia passed away. So thank you to so many of you who sent lovely messages. But we're here just to sort of keep things out. And these guys, actually, the stars aligned, and they come over to support this team. My band, this is back in Borneo, with our tour group, who will be joining next week. But yes, so we're here at the moment, just sorting a few bits out, and we can't see all of our favourite coffee places. Hi, Dad.
Bit camera shy.
What you don't know is Dan calls me Pookie Bear.
Pookie Bear.
What does the bear say?
What has your fog hopper coffee?
It is very strong. So I got some flavor put into it, and then I got Everly a steamer for kids. Had them throw a couple pieces of ice in it and toasted marshmallow flavor. And then I added half of it into here, so that way she's not drinking too much of it.
And it makes your coffee palatable.
This coffee is like almost too sweet now. Let's put it that way. But I still have the same amount of caffeine. I could do it.
Hairs on your chest.
I already have them.
You're gonna have more, a lot more, Pookie Bear.
Pookie Bear? Why do you think he calls me Pookie Bear? It's the hair, the chest. And it ends in an eagle's ass.
Apparently, Waldo of Where's Waldo fame
Where's Wally?
is Wally in the UK.
Where's Wally?
These Brits?
Honestly, one day you'll learn to speak English, and that's okay.
Freaking Alex from the future here. We are currently in Salt Lake City, which is a big drive from Vancouver Island.
But there's a big reason why we stopped here. We had to get a lot of different jobs done, and we're at some friends' house that are going to allow us to do it.
And one of the biggest jobs that we got done, well, it wasn't that big of a job. It was pretty simple for Frank to install the Wolfbox G900 Tri-View dash cam.
I'd say the hardest part of installing it is getting it through your firewall. Other than that, it is pretty easy. This unit does have 3 different cameras. It has a front camera that sits on your bumper, the first one ever of its kind. And then you have a rear camera as well as the front display camera on the mirror as well, which is 4K.
The bumper camera is huge, especially in this big truck for me, because I cannot see what I'm about to run into.
One of the coolest things about that night vision, and so even if your headlights are on, you can see exactly what's happening in front of you, and it makes for a great setup.
It also has super fast 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which makes downloading the footage from the unit to your phone super fast and easy.
You just literally go to the app, and it makes it to where you could just click it, view it, download it right away.
Or you could take out the SIM card if you wanted to and upload it to your computer.
It does also offer a G-Shock setting, so that way, like, if your car was to get hit by somebody else, it would actually turn on the system.
And hopefully you never have to use it, but if you did, you'd be really glad you have it.
Catch those perks.
The display is very big and full color. It also lets you switch between different modes, so you can have it single view on one of the 3 cameras, or you could have it set up as a multi-view so you can see all your cameras at the same time.
The Black Friday deal is going on from now to December 2nd.
Use code BFSAVE13 on Amazon or WB Best Gear on their official website to get the absolute best pricing you can on this Wolfbox setup. The links are at the top of our description and pinned down below, so be sure to check out Wolfbox. They're helping us stay safe on the road, and they're going to do the same for you, as long as you don't run into a bear.
I don't want to do that.
We're about to go see a bear right now.
Well, good thing we got the deer whistles on the front. We should have got bear whistles.
That's our second wildlife spotting of the day.
Wow.
No bears yet, but whew, eagles and seals, oh my.
Yo, he's just soaring right above us. It's beautiful.
Not a bad start to the day, is it?
It's a very good start to the day.
That's a
And
good
especially
omen.
when we set off, it was raining,
It was.
and now it's stunning. Oh look, Pekka's got a friend.
Oh, you afraid of this now? Lucy's all over it. Here, if you put it in my hand, he might be more apt to take it.
I don't want to give me that.
Yeah.
No, you get out of here.
What the?
You eat it?
No, he's afraid of it. Here you go, Lucy. Here you go. Sorry. Lucy's like, I'm cleaning up.
Look at Everly. Look at Everly, Alex.
Will she eat this?
No, I don't think so.
Hey, give
It's for the puppy.
For the puppy?
You give it to the doggy.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, you could. What's your doggy's name?
Lucy.
You could give it to Lucy.
No, Lucy.
Oh no. Okay, no. Lucy can't have it.
Give it to Paco.
Give it to Paco.
Give it to Paco.
No, Lucy, you can't have it anymore. She'd eat everything. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, he's being
He's so
funny about it.
silly.
I don't know.
Who the hell is Wally? Originated from British illustrator.
I'm saying nothing.
Excuse me?
Mark.
Excuse me, I knew it. I
Hey,
told
listen.
you.
On this video, when you
I know when to say I'm wrong, and
gonna
I was
comment.
wrong.
I've got some tacos. We got an au jus dip.
I think this is it.
Nice.
Yeah, I think this is it. But yeah, we're missing our au jus.
It's coming.
Little gravy dip.
Excuse me, can you sit down, please? Happy for what? You want some fries? Sit on your bum. Thank you, Dan. Fast hands.
This is our French dip.
The ultimate burger as well.
Oh.
Emily?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Oh man, that food was good.
Okay, new game.
I'm extra full.
5-star review only.
The food was hot. The au jus was delicious. And we found out who Waldo was. 5 stars.
The jus is very salty, which is perfect with the beef, and the chips are really crunchy.
Would highly recommend. Tell your friends and family. The ultimate burger was fantastic. Chips were cooked to perfection. Yeah, would definitely recommend.
My 5 stars that fish was out of this world. It was very good. Flaky. Yum.
Everly, give your 5-star review.
Did you like your dinner? Yeah, good.
5 stars.
It's pretty cool, yeah? Fishes.
You touch it?
No, no,
I touch it.
no. We've made it to the hatchery where we're hoping to see some bears. You can take a tour and like fly out to see them and things like that. But this is a freemium option, which is always my choice.
Fishing?
We did, yeah. We just catch and release a lot. Yeah, we just didn't keep any. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we saw the one. Yeah. It was like we were fishing and it was like right across the river.
Cool.
Is it still there?
It's probably still roaming around.
Yeah, probably.
Thank you. They saw a bear. They saw a bear. Which means we could potentially see a bear.
That would be great.
Would be
Great
great.
to share a bear experience.
Yes. You got a big rock? Cool. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome
I'm
back.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. I'm looking for bears right now. That wasn't a bear. Did you guys see a bear?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, that's not a great sign. But we'll find something, I'm hoping. But there are seagulls. There's seagulls.
Ooh. Where's all the fishes?
Not here. They're being eaten by the bears right now.
They're
Yeah.
all there. I can see them in the water there.
That's a fish. Yeah, it's a fish. That one is letting go of life right now. Man, I'm just like bird nerding right now.
What have you seen?
I've seen a blue heron. I've seen I could hear some ravens. You hear that deep crow? We saw a bald eagle fly directly over our heads. That was gorgeous. And yeah, that was kind of a little guy. Let's keep on going. Maybe we'll find a bear next. Everly, come on. Oh, seagulls. We saw seagulls too.
I've been pooped on. Oh, yeah. Huh? It's a real serious
I've
poop.
been shat on.
That's a poop.
We told you not to ride your bike through the white puddles.
Oh, no, isn't that much? It's very lucky to get pooped on by a bird.
Your back and your leg. And your feet.
Maybe it was multiple birds,
Maybe it was the
which
eagle.
means that we're definitely going to see a bear today. That's the lucky.
I like that.
And the bear's not going to eat us. Extra
That's-
lucky. That's what the second poop was for.
And the third and the fourth and the fifth.
That's just for good measure. Don't be giving Everly any ideas. Oh my goodness, Frankie. Yeah, mommy. No.
Go back.
Daddy's making poor choices.
Go back, Everly.
Daddy needs to come back.
I almost went in right there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you want to get your poop?
There's a bear literally right here. Everly, come here. Come to Daddy. Daddy's going to show you a bear. You want to see a bear? You have to be really quiet, okay? It's right underneath this little bridge right here, okay? Everly, look straight down next to that tree. You see the fuzzy black?
Yes.
Yes. You see the bear?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see his tail? Oh, look, he's coming this way.
Dan, he's coming.
To be nervous a little bit.
Nervous.
Yeah.
We are behind a fence, so don't worry too much.
Look at him just waiting.
Look at his face. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bear. Look, he's waiting for the fish. Look at our dog.
Oh, look, he's here. He's here. He's right here. Looking at me.
And Paco's at a safe distance, away from the bear, not... Oh, he's got a fish right now? Let's see.
He's working on it.
Yeah, he's going to jump in and catch one.
It'd be so cool to see him jump in. But I think he's waiting for it to come to him.
Yeah.
It-
Work smarter, not
yeah.
harder.
Look at him. How beautiful. Yeah, he's so poofy.
Yeah.
It's a bear.
That's a bear. All right. All right, he's coming up here. All right, pull it really back.
I was slightly concerned that you were going to get one.
I was like, Alex, back away with the baby. I quite literally just watched him rip the meat out of the salmon's head right there.
We met these guys up top, and they said that they had seen one down low. So we were kind of following them down low, and then we saw them right here, and they were like, the bear's here. We were just gabbing and shooting the shit. We would have walked straight past the bear if we hadn't seen them. So we need to go catch them again.
I'll also give credit to Marrianne, really looking for this little land bridge right here, because if we didn't walk over this land bridge, we missed that bear.
It's because I got shit on.
The luck was with us.
You took one for the team.
Literally.
Scream once and a half if it's really bad. Oh, I'm not
Scream
really
once and a half if you're dying.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to die? Let me record it.
You get £250.
Worldstar.hip-hop.com.
We've got You've Been Framed.
Oh, it's
Yeah, it's
that.
called You've Been Framed.
Okay.
So you submit a video, they give you 250 quid.
Oh,
If
nice.
you guys, I'll give you
That's what I'm
250
saying.
dollars.
There's actually like a small trail right here. I'm wondering if I
There you
like
go, it's the price.
go
There
up
you
here
go.
just a little bit if I'll still see that bear. He's literally walking to the right there. That is so cool. It's kind of like nerve-wracking being down here. There is a pathway to come down here, like an open pathway. So I'm allowed to be here. But I can literally see the bear right there. He's quite a distance away from me. So I'm fine. And he's very focused on his salmon. But the fact that he's right there is just, whew. If he came this way, I'd probably shit a brick. You know what's crazy, guys, is you get a line of sight to the bear. You can see him from there. He's a bit of a distance, but there is a line of sight to the bear.
Really? I'm
Yeah.
going to have to go down now.
Yeah. Do you think he's coming this way?
He's just chasing the seagulls and like running.
Through the river. Dang it, I left just before I could see that.
Hey, no. You gave them the opportunity to see it.
Yeah, I'm just saying, dang it, because it would have been cool on footage, but I'm really happy that they get to see it.
Also, I don't really want a bear charging at me.
No, that's kind of scary.
Yeah.
We got back to Big Blue. We survived the bear attack.
Well, we weren't attacked, but our friends almost were.
Well, and the fish were definitely attacked.
Yes, the salmon did not make it. Well, most of them did, but some of them did not.
But definitely a successful day. We wanted to see the bears, and we saw the bears.
I'll give this 5 stars. Beautiful wilderness area. Service is not so great, but...
Next up, Marrianne's going to show us her big whale.
What?
Hello.